everybody, this is Chrissy with Everyday Tidbits. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. Please hit that subscribe button. Ooh, I just got wet down below. Hit the bell notification so that you're notified every time I post. Follow me on Instagram at everyday_tidbits. I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube and Instagram family. Today I'm at the beach. I just wanted to show you a little bit of what the Jersey Shore looks like. It is still summer peak. We got here super early. I'm with my friend Natalie today, and we got here early before the crowd comes, so right now it's not too crowded. It's also a northwest wind, so we're getting eaten alive by green flies today. It's ridiculous. We're trying to sit by the water, close to the water, so that they don't bite us, but they're relentless today, man. So if any of you have never had experience with green flies down by the beach, it is horrendous. When they bite you, you get these ginormous welts, and it's not very comfortable at all. But I just wanted to show you what a beautiful day it is out today. So hope everyone's being safe, and thank you so much for being here today. She's my BB. We've been friends for a long, long time. Love it. Right. Just loving sitting here with my chair, getting wet in the sun. Absolutely perfectly gorgeous day. It's not that humid. If the flies were not here, it would be 100% worth it. Come up, these little clams come out of the sand, and then when the wave goes back, they try to dig themselves back underwater. Let's see if I can get one for you. This is so cute. So they dig themselves back in. Oh, there he goes! Ah! So cute! Way out in the water, we got some dolphins.
Look, they're playing. They're playing in the.
We can see at least two. Oh my god, the flies are so bad. Oh my god, we gotta be fast.
There's a lot of them. There's at least 6 of them.
Yeah. Usually wherever the
see them?
oh, I see them. Yeah, you can tell that there's something going on. Oh,
they're playing
because the seagulls like gather where they usually go. So you can see, I saw the seagulls first, and then I saw the dolphins.
Some are going south and some are coming north.
What a beautiful view. That guy surfing with those dolphins right next to him must have like such a magical experience. Look at that.